All right, today we're going to draw a circle using a yardstick to measure the radius of the circle. We'll need a drill with a small drill bit, a pin for drawing the circle, and a nail or something to hold, thumbtack to hold the middle of the circle. So to do this, you'll take and you'll drill a hole every inch on your yardstick. I've already pre-drilled this on a couple of them, so we'll do 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go ahead and jump up here to 12 for mine, and we'll do 12 and 13. Once you're done drilling your holes, you'll take your nail and you'll put it in the one hole right here to hold the center of the circle. You'll go out for your radius. So if you have a 2-foot circle, you go out to 13. That'd be 12 inches. You'll take it, you'll put and then you'll draw your circle. And then you can use your saw to cut on that arc. This is just a partial arc. You can do the whole circle if you had a piece of plywood big enough for that, or board that you're cutting. Hope you enjoy this tip. If so, please watch for future ones and visit the website DIYwoodcraft.net.